Hello everyone, this is Sam Lee from ZW3D technical team. Today I'm going to introduce the ZW3D mode module. The whole introduction will take around 15 minutes. Here are main contents, including the brief introduction of ZW3D mode design, target markets, mode design function, and summary. Now, let's see the general workflow in ZW3D mode design. ZW3D provides a full mode design solutions, including product verifications, modifications, healing, parting design, detail design, mode assembly, form, and 2D drafting. Your customer can learn mode design in a short time by following the clear workflow in ZW3D. Besides this, your customer can use all functions in CAD platform, such as surface modeling, to deal with the complex mode parting. So what markets can ZW3D mode cover? ZW3D can cover different plastic mold design of different products. For example, ejection mold for consumer product and automotive parts. Besides the ejection mold, it can also cover the die casting and blow mold. Next, I will introduce the mold design functions in ZW3D. The first one is model preparation before mold design. The ZW3D has an independent healing module for mold repairing. It can analyze and heal tiny unmatched faces automatically. It also detects the open edges and fill the gap on models. ZW3D offers a lot of analysis tools, such as draft angle, thickness, and undercut analysis. Users can check the result of any positions by browsing on the model, and the analysis result can be marked for further process of mold design. Sometimes, we need to modify features to adapt it to a mold design. With DE tool in ZW3D, users can modify face like offset, replace, and draft, or reuse features, and resize holes and fillets efficiently. Let me take the scan pad as an example to introduce the workflow of pre-works in ZW3D mode module. We can easily check the open edges and fill the gap by using the different tools from Healing Ribbon tab. Besides, with Direct Edit tools, we can also make some basic changes for the model, such as face offset, pattern, and radius modifications. After that, ZW3D also provides abundant product verifications tools such as face analysis and thickness analysis. The second part is parting and design. ZW3D provides a proven parting workflow from region analysis to parting face creation and trim to molding parts. Users can split product into different regions based on the analysis result. Then, you can create inner patches and create parting surface by auto-parting surface automatically. Finally, trim the workpiece into molding parts in one click. Let me show you the basic mold design process in ZW3D. We can do the region analysis and region definitions in an easy and convenient way. Then, with patching tools, the loops can be automatically recognized and patched. ZW3D also provides powerful parting design tools which can help users create the parting faces automatically, and then create and trim the workpiece very quickly. Besides the parting design, your customer needs to design more mold features. ZW3D develops some useful tools for detail design like cooling loop, runner and gate, taper lock and groove. These tools are in high level of automation, so you can finish these mold features in a short period. ZW3D has integrated standard mold base and component library of the most popular standards, such as Futaba, FCPK, Haskell, Museberger. It also allows users to customize their own standard library. What's more, there are some smart commands for different kinds of components. When you insert components by using these commands, it will try its best to recognize where the component should be located and what is the suitable size. So these smart commands can reduce clicks in component insert. Let's move to ZW3D to show you the rich mode library of mode module. The mode-based library provides the various kind of standard with different series. Users can also customize it. Other tools like groove and locating rings are also provided. As for cooling loop, it can be conveniently created with the requirements. It also has various kinds of cooling parts for your customer to choose. As for ejector pins, let me show you how to create it in ZW3D in a convenient and fast way. Let's move to the third part, 2D sheet. After finishing the whole mode assembly design, users need to create detail joins for all of the components. In ZW3D, the auto mode drafting functions will identify components in different types. Then, you can apply different templates for these types. Finally, dimensions can also be added automatically at the same time. Here is the example of the mode drafting. 3D BOM is customizable and can be exported to Excel. For auto mode drafting, users can set particular sheet size for different component types. And after that, the mode drafting can be automatically created with the dimensions on it. The last part I will introduce is the Electrode design. After finishing the mold design, we need to think about how to machine them. For some special areas of the molding part, like a core and a cavity, we need to use the Electrode for machining. ZW3D provides a full Electrode design solution from electrode modeling, machine parameters to BOM output, and auto sparking join creation. This is the Electrode module in ZW3D. Let me show you how simple to create the Electrode tips with various kinds of tools such as Simplified and stock add-in for it. Then, we can add the Electrode blank with engraving on it. Create the bill of electrodes for exportations is also very convenient. Moreover, we can create the electrode joins in batches. Okay, we have finished the basic introductions of the ZW3D mold design. Now, let's make a summary. ZW3D mold is powerful and easy to use. It offers a full mold design workflow, including healing, production, verification, and DE tool in mold preparations. During mold design, the powerful parting tools and detail design tools will significantly speed up the design. With the flexible rule, you can build up your own mold base and component library. Drafting and BOM can be finished and output in single operations. Finally, you can continue to design the electrode right away after finishing the mold design in the same file. This is the brief introduction of the ZW3D mold design. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me by email. Thank you for your watching.